All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
As part of the $3.1 billion 31 MQ-9B Predator drone deal between India and the US, American side is proposing to provide consultancy to Indian entities for developing an indigenous advanced unmanned aerial vehicle. Officials said on Saturday that amid ongoing negotiations for the acquisition of 31 Predator drones, the United States has proposed to provide consultancy services to India for developing advanced unmanned aerial vehicles with enhanced surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. Notably, India and the US have been in talks to finalize the deal, which aims to equip all three branches of the Indian Armed Forces with state-of-the-art drones to bolster surveillance and domain awareness. Of the 31 Predator drones, the Navy will get 15 birds and Air Force and Army will be getting 8 each. According to defense sources, the Defense Acquisition Council is expected to discuss and possibly clear the proposal in a high-level meeting scheduled for Monday. The advancement is anticipated to significantly enhance India's surveillance capabilities in the Indian Ocean region and along its high-altitude mountain borders with Pakistan and China. India and the US had previously announced plans to sign a $4 billion deal for 31 high-altitude long-endurance (HALE) UAVs during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the US last year. Defense Ministry officials have disclosed that the Indian Armed Forces are planning to equip these Predator drones with indigenous weapons during their assembly in India. Navy Chief Admiral Hari Kumar has also indicated that the integration of Indian weapon systems with these drones is under consideration. As part of the plan, 3 operational hubs will be established in the northern, northeastern, and southern regions of India to deploy these highly capable drones. Top government officials have stated that the hub for covering India's vast maritime zones will be in Rajli near Chennai, where two leased Predator drones are currently operated. The number of drones required to fully meet surveillance needs along the China-Pakistan front is also being determined. The Predator drones will be operated under a tri-service joint command, a model that will be applied to all future acquisitions. Pilots and ground station handlers from the Army, Navy, and Air Force will soon receive training to operate these systems, ensuring a cohesive and integrated approach across all 3 services. The MQ-9B drones will be deployed at 4 places, including in Rajaji near Chennai and Porbandar in Gujarat, by the Indian Navy. The 2 other services will jointly keep them at 2 Air Force bases in Sarsawa and Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh due to long runway requirements. This will help in boosting military surveillance capabilities along the line of actual control (LAC) with China, from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. Officials from General Atomics, the American firm involved in the deal, held discussions with the Indian side in the last few weeks. Led by the Indian Navy, the deal is being negotiated at the tri-service level. The American side has given its letter of acceptance to India at a price of around $4 billion, Annie reported. What is the MQ-9B drone? The drone requires a long runway and has a flight time of over 36 hours at heights over 40,000 feet. The drones can be armed with Hellfire air-to-ground missiles and smart bombs. The fighter-sized drone specializes in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, Annie reported. The report said that the Predator drones are expected to significantly enhance India's unmanned surveillance and reconnaissance patrol capabilities, especially in the Indian Ocean region, IOR, and on India's land borders with China and Pakistan. The MQ-9B was used extensively for monitoring in anti-piracy operations as it helps to get a clear picture of activities taking place 3,000 kilometers away.